Okay, we're on Pesachim Parak Tet Mishnah Zayin. Our Mishnah discusses what happens if you dedicate the wrong type of animal. Let's look in the Torah for 1 second. We've seen these psukim over and over again. Let's make it smaller so we can see it. Here we go. Okay, one of the things the Torah says is you have to bring a set tamim, right? A sheep, or we're going to see a mina kvasim and minaizim, sheep or goats. Zachar, it has to be male. Ben shana, a year old or less. Okay, it's going to be young male. So what happens if hamafrish nekeva lepischo, o zachar ben shnei shtanim? Or what happens if you designate a female or a 2-year-old? So the animal itself is by definition not eligible to be a Korban Pesach, but you designated it as a Korban Pesach. Says the Mishnah, yireh ad sheyisteh. We saw this phrase in the last Mishnah. It should what's the word? Graze until yisteh, until it becomes ruined. But in this context, it means it has a mum, it has a blemish, so it can't be offered on the mizbeach. V'yimacher, you should sell it. V'yiplu damav l'nedava, and its money should go. You have to sell it. You give the money to the nedava. What is the nedava? Nedava means a gift. Notnino tan ma'od l'teva. You put that money in the pushka in the migdash, in the box of the migdash. Umakrivim mehem olot nedava, and they offer olot nedava gift offerings to God. So they use that money for olot, for korban olot, for burnt offerings in the Beit HaMikdash. Similarly, if God forbid a person designated as Korban Pesach, his animal, and then he dies. Lo yavi'enu beno, so his son inherits his Korban Pesach. Lo yavi'enu beno acharav l'shem Pesach. His son cannot offer it as a Korban Pesach. Why? The Bartanura says the Havalei Pesach shemetu ba'alav, because it's a Korban Pesach whose owners died. Ein la'ala kan minuyim, so there's no manui, there's no person who is considered a participant in the Korban Pesach itself. Now the Kahati notes that this is talking about a case also where the son was not one of the minuyim. If the son was one of the included people, then when his father died, he's still included in the Korban Pesach. But here we're talking about a case where he wasn't one of the minuyim, and therefore he can't just inherit the animal and then use it as his own Korban Pesach. Rather, it still has a Kedusha, but it's offered Ela L'Shem Shlamim, it's offered as a Korban Shlamim in the Beit HaMikdash. We'll stop here and dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.